Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Garmin Venu 3 hit the market in late 2023, and naturally the buzz around its successor has already begun. While Garmin has yet to officially confirm the Venu 4, the company's historical release, patterns suggest we could see it launch in late 2025. Each iteration of Garmin's smartwatch lineup brings meaningful upgrades, and the Venu 4 is expected to introduce advanced smart features, enhanced connectivity, and improved fitness tracking capabilities. Let's explore what we can anticipate from Garmin's next-generation Venu smartwatch. Potential features of Garmin Venu. 4 advanced voice control and smart assistants. The Venu 3 featured voice control for connected smartphone assistants like Siri and Google Assistant. However, it lacked built-in voice commands, requiring users to interact with their smartphones. Given that Garmin has already integrated on-device voice control in models like the Fenix 8, the Venu 4 could follow suit, allowing for hands-free interactions directly on the watch. A refined microphone and speaker system would further enhance voice calls and commands, making communication smoother and more seamless. Expanded fitness and training features. Garmin is known for its exceptional fitness tracking, but the Venu 3 missed some key training tools. Features such as triathlon mode and running track mode, highly valuable for multi-sport athletes, are expected to be included in the Venu 4. Another missing feature in the Venu 3 was training readiness, which helps athletes optimize their workouts by assessing recovery data. This feature is available in other Garmin models and has gained significant popularity. Given its effectiveness, it's highly likely that the Venu 4 will incorporate training readiness, making it an even more powerful companion for serious fitness enthusiasts. LTE connectivity. A game changer? One of the biggest limitations of the Venu series is the lack of LTE connectivity. Currently, Garmin users must rely on their smartphones for calls, messaging, and music streaming. Adding an LTE-enabled variant to the Venu 4 would allow users to stay connected without needing to carry a phone. This feature would be particularly beneficial for runners, cyclists, and outdoor adventurers who prefer to stay untethered during workouts while still being accessible. Wireless charging. A much-needed upgrade. Garmin has consistently used a proprietary charging system across its devices. While effective, it doesn't offer the convenience of wireless charging, which has become a standard feature in most premium smartwatches. If the Venu 4 introduces Qi wireless charging, it would significantly improve user experience by making charging effortless and eliminating the need for proprietary cables. Additionally, wireless charging would enable the watch to rest flat on charging pads rather than being positioned awkwardly on its side. This would be a significant quality of life upgrade that many users have been hoping for. Third-party app support, a competitive boost. One area where Garmin lags behind competitors like Apple, Samsung, and Google is third-party app support. While the Garmin Connect IQ store offers some apps, its selection is quite limited compared to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Expanding app compatibility on the Venu 4 would greatly enhance its smartwatch capabilities, making it a more compelling choice for users who seek a balance between fitness and productivity. Battery life improvements. Garmin smartwatches generally boast excellent battery life compared to competitors, but as features become more advanced, power efficiency becomes crucial. The Venu 4 is expected to introduce better power management, possibly through an improved chipset and more efficient software. We might also see an extended battery mode, allowing users to maximize battery life during long activities or trips. New health sensors and wellness features. Garmin continues to push the envelope in health tracking, and the Venu 4 could introduce new wellness features such as blood pressure monitoring, skin temperature tracking, or even ECG capabilities. These additions would align with Garmin's mission of providing holistic health insights and competing more directly with the Apple Watch Series 9 and Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Expected price and release. Date. Garmin is unlikely to discontinue its Venu lineup, given its strong sales and competition with mainstream smartwatch brands. If Garmin follows its usual schedule, The Venu 4 is likely to debut in late 2025. However, there's also speculation about an intermediate model, such as a Venu 3 Plus, which could arrive earlier to introduce minor refinements before the next full upgrade. Pricing will likely remain competitive, with the standard model sitting between $399 and $499, depending on features. If an LTE version is introduced, it could push the price higher, potentially into the $500–600 range. Final thoughts. What to expect from the Garmin Venu? The Garmin Venu 4 is shaping up to be an exciting evolution in the smartwatch space, offering improvements in connectivity, fitness tracking, smart features, and convenience. If Garmin integrates LTE, wireless charging, enhanced training tools, and expanded third-party app support, the Venu 4 could become one of the most competitive smartwatches in its category.